Momentum shifts, but yeah, the boys pulled together and yeah, we finished the job quite well.
Rassi said this was a test that the team needed. How much do you agree with that assertion?
Sorry, say again?
Rassi said in the press conference that this was a test match that the team needed to learn lessons from. How much do you agree with that assertion?
I think, yeah, every test is different. Testing new combinations and yeah, new players playing together from different unions. So yeah, I think the guys did really well playing from different clubs together and yeah, the boys executed at the end of the day.
Kan ek net vir vra? Baie van jou kollegas praat van julle baie veelsidig is in die span. Het jy 'n spesialisposisie in die nasionale span of verkies jy om veelsidig te wees in hierdie opset?
Ek is net dankbaar om vir Suid-Afrika te verteenwoordig. Op die oomblik speel ek waar hulle my gooi. So as hulle my in die voorry wil soek, sal ek also skram. So ek is net baie dankbaar om deel van die squad te wees.
Vandag se vertoning en wat spesifiek wat jy vertolk het, die posisie vertolk het?
Weer eens dankbaar vir die geleentheid. Ek het 'n paar goedjies om aan te werk en ja, soos ek sê, daar's altyd goedjies wat aan mense kan werk om in die toekoms in te gaan. But yeah, just grateful for the opportunity.
Yeah, just how tense was it there? Because they didn't go away, they came back at you guys. I'm sure 35-14, you guys probably felt a little bit more comfortable, but then they came straight back at you.
Yeah, like I said, there was momentum shifts in the game, but yeah, it happens in every game. But yeah, after I think the second try, the boys pulled together and yeah, we just said, listen here, we need to dig deep now. And then yeah, the boys pulled together and executed the plan and we pulled it through.
You've played in teams that have been under pressure like that. How does it compare the test match pressure to what you're used to in the
Yeah, test match rugby is much quicker. And yeah, the margins for error is also very small, so you need to be at your best at the day.
Kan ek vra, julle verwagtinge vir hierdie week wat voor julle vertrek om môre Durban toe. Wat verwag julle van Wallis hierdie week daar in Durban?
Ons het ongelukkig nog nie vir Wallis gesien hoe hulle goedjies doen nie. Ons het nog net op Skotland gefokus, maar die span sal môre saamtrek. Eers kyk hoe ons gespeel het in Skotland en dan van daar af voorberei vir Wallis se toets.
You know, you're comfortable. I mean, you obviously played and you say you're going to play where they throw you in. But I mean, how much have you played 10 before? Because we're obviously used to you more at 15.
Yeah, at the Lions, normally 10 and 15 is basically the same position. You just slot in and make a playmaker, and then from there, you just play what's in front of you. So yeah, today, once again, just grateful to be part of the team and the chance they put in me, and I could execute.
Ask you, obviously, yeah, they pulled out the great kicking game, and then right at the end, you slotted a few points over. How did it feel to get those points, but with like the whole crowd behind you? Also, yeah, just making the kick the whole experience. I think it wasn't the most difficult kick, but knowing that you ticked it off.
Yeah, playing at Loftus is incredible. The crowd was really insane and the vibe was there. And yeah, to put a kick over today was something special for me, especially at the end. Once again, just grateful for the opportunity to represent South Africa.